At saka malaking pagkakaiba rin pag when you look at the shot chart nitong Abra Weavers, merong mid-range baskets no? Unlike puro in between game, unlike puro paint para sa Pangasinan. Yun ang kinakailangan rin nitong Pangasinan para the very least ma-stretch ng konti yung depensa.
Gonzalez gets it to Ayon. We are back for the third quarter. Ayon misses the three. It's made the only three of the game so far para dito sa Abra. Gabo still scoreless. Bulanadi trying to grab the offensive rebound. The hustle play from the Heatwaves. Bulanadi. Floater. No. Ball is loose. Picked up by Ildefonso.
Dalawang shot attempts para sa Heatwaves sa pagkakataon na yon. Pero walang naibasket. But you still love the energy. Man, you still gotta produce those points.
Ildefonso. Bulanadi read it. Ang ganda naman. Para kay Jeyo Chu, bumagsak ang bola. He was able to score on the layup.
At saka mabigat doon. Ang galing sa labas si Jeyo Chu. No? Halos hinabol yung bola. Picked it up. And able to scoop it with the left hand.
That's a foul on Raven Gonzalez. Mike Mabulak has been initiating the physicality on these big men of Abra.
Oo, tinetesting. Ito yung magandang kaliwang pagkakatapos doon sa layup na yun ni Jeyo Chu. And really had to chase for that ball, almost going out.
Air ball on the three from Mike DG. And back the other way ang bola.
Tsaka hirap rin nung sitwasyon na yun para dun sa Heatwaves. Twin Towers, nasa poste pareho. Hindi ganun kadali pumasa sa poste in that situation.
Gonzalez, nice pass galing kay Brickman. No finish though from Raven. Napoles, nakabuelo. Napoles, the sidestep. Palpal ang inabot kay Jeyo Chu.
For the second time, I think 2-3 times already we've seen Napoles attack the defense of Jeyo Chu. Pero ito, talagang hand up. Naiwan na lang talaga. Could have released it a little bit earlier instead of going through Jeyo Chu.
The funny thing there is that he went for the sidestep but didn't really move.
Oh yeah. Nandun pa rin siya. He didn't go to another spot.
Wala kang angulo eh.
Walang na-beat eh.
Ayon goes back to the bench. Pasok si Encho Serrano. Gabo, nice shovel pass. Napoles for three. Big Brickman with a rebound. Brickman out to Serrano. Encho, the spin. The one-hander. Yan ang hanap buhay na tira ni Encho Serrano.
Kung naaalala ko sa isang coverage na nabanggit mo, patented shot ni Encho Serrano. Spin floater.
Mabulak goes to the middle. Nandun si Napoles. Mike, turn around. Got it.
Boy, he made those basket pero grabe yung depensa na hinarap niya bago niya na-basket yun.
Pahirapan yun. Brickman. Ildefonso, still Di Gregorio in front of him. Picks up his dribble. Bigay kay Encho Serrano. Serrano for three. No. Rebound. Gabo has it. Saves it to Chu. Labas kay Brickman. Masyado malakas ang pasa.
Masyado mataas yung pagkakapasa rin ni EJ. He had the right thing in mind, pero medyo mataas yung pasa.
(38-32). I think at some point Jason Brickman has to take charge.
Take control,
yeah.
Right? Agree.
7 turnovers already para sa Pangasinan. 6 for Abra. Mabulak, spin. Nandun ang Twin Towers. Turnover. Oh.
So that will stay with the Heatwaves.
Jump ball ang tawag, ha?
Hindi rin ganun kadali yung pagkakaspin ni Mike na yun. Grabe yung dinaanan eh. Kapit, foul, Encho.
Yeah.
Alam na niyang kakalas eh.
Yeah, but number 3 already for Abra here in the third, and we still have 6 minutes remaining. Bulanadi, De Gregorio, Mike DG pulls up. Masyadong malakas. Mabulak with the rebound. Bulanadi has it. Mabulak. Fouled again.
And Mike Mabulak really taking it inside the paint. And the thing is, pag tiningnan mo ang mga games kung saan nagiging mas competitive itong Heatwaves, free throws ang magaling sila.
Oo. Let's go to Andrea.
The Pangasinan Heatwaves are liking whatever is happening. Ito ang plano nila. Keep it as close as they can. Going to the crucial part of the game kung saan nung game 1, dito daw talaga sila sa third quarter nagsimulang lumubog. They need to change the narrative. Alin Bulanadi, Vic Manuel both mentioned how their defense is much tighter now. Mas andun yung effort. Meanwhile, Mike De Gregorio continues to defend well and contain Dave Ildefonso. As he mentioned, from finding his rhythm throughout the season, he got comfortable right when he's needed the most. Time really became the key for him to incorporate himself fully to the team. When asked about his role against Dave, he said, as a veteran, I know how to play angles and I know I cannot let this guy get his rhythm, not on my clock. So right now, he is trying to force Dave to take those long 2s and 3s, which is working wonders for the Heatwaves. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Andrea. We do have a stoppage in the play here. Bulanadi hits the 3, but they are reviewing this one because Encho Serrano fell on the floor. We'll see what happened here.
When he got past Napoles, parang dun siya na ano, no?
Yeah, but didn't look like Napoles extended anything there.
Right, it didn't look like that way.
Although the angle was nasa likod tayo eh. So hindi masyado kita, but
be interesting kung ano yung maging decision dito.
sabi ni Napoles, kiniliti lang daw eh. Bakit naman daw nagano bumagsak? Kiniliti lang naman ni Napoles.
Pero ang implication nito, pag tinawag kay Napoles to, 3 fouls na si Napoles. And you're gonna need a guy like him on the floor.
It's been tight, it's been physical, but alam natin that these guys, they're, you know, kita to sa mga iba-ibang liga maliban sa MPBL, no? On some days. Could be a delay of game here. Could be a delay of game.
Sure looks like that's what they're saying.
Warning on number 83, Mark D, for unsportsmanlike behavior.
So no call, nothing.
No, nothing.
Only a warning on Marquis. And Marquis has entered the game here. Can he make a difference for Abra?
First time seeing him in the series.
Ildefonso able to recover. Nandun si Mike De Gregorio. Batino misses the layup. Well, Mabulak was too high up and Batino actually had a clear lane there.
Yes. Hanggang hindi lang tumama yung English dun sa tira na yon. He went glass but couldn't make it go in.
Nasa penalty ng Abra. We'll see if Pangasinan can exploit it here. Napoles with a jumper off the mark.
I thought medyo delayed yung pagkakatira na yun ni Jory. I felt on the catch, he already had it.
Serrano blocked by Napoles. De Gregorio. Gabo. Mabulak. De Gregorio stepped on the line.
Sa akin sariling pananaw at a certain point, kinakailangang itira ni Hesed Gabo yun. He was free for a moment. He still decided to pass it off. And every time he does well, pagdating sa 3-point shooting, ang hirap guardyahan ito ni Hesed Gabo.
Brickman. No. Rebound ni Mabulak. That's the initial shot from Jason Brickman. Expect him to take more here.
There you go.
Head for 3. No, tapikan na bola. Nakuha ni Enzo Serrano. with Javier Pangasinan getting back in transition. That's a push on De Gregorio as Batino went up for the shot.
Bibilib ka rin talaga dito kay Batino. Even in game 1, napaka-aktibo niyan. Kasi pag nakakakuha siya ng bola, mention mo nga kanina, hindi lang nakakashoot, nakakapasa rin eh. So either way, he's gonna be a threat.
Yan, pinasok na si Vic Manuel for Jory Napoles. This free throw of the game is brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas.
At saka ito si Batino, ang best game na nilaro niyan is yung game number 2 against Caloocan, which scored 11 points and had 6 rebounds to go with a couple of blocks. And game number 1, 6 points ang ginawa niya, 3 of 4 shooting. So ganun ka-efficient itong si Batino para dito sa Weaver so far.
5-point lead for Abra. They are already over the limit though. Mabulak. Back to Vic Manuel. 6 seconds to work with. Vic. Here's a double team. And Bulanadi relocated. And the pass went to Coach Gerson.
Yeah. Doon ang sinasabi nila ng coaches, tama naman, no? On that spin, that should have been doon sa wing spot, hindi pa magpupunta sa corner. Kasi nakataligod pa si Vic.
Ildefonso.
Grabe yung depensa ni Gregorio talaga.
Yeah.
Look at him play the angles. That's just like how he mentioned in that interview with Andrea.
Brickman, cross court. Yi, spin, one-hander, in and out. Rebound, Mabulak.
Pero yun ang tira niya. That was a good shot from Mark Yi.
Gabo. Now with Bulanadi. Alin fires, short rebound, Mabulak. Vic Manuel. That's a tough shot, no problem for the muscle man.
No problem pag ganun kalapit. Vic Manuel. Nag-fumble pa ng konti, na-recover, gumamit ng bump bago itinira. Walang problema.
10 puntos na para kay Vic Manuel. Parang ano eh, walang problema si Vic Manuel eh.
Kumbaga sa daming beses na nilaro niya yung poste, sanay na sa bungguan.
Just never gets, you know, he never gets rattled.
Tsaka ano, halos very poker face. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina. Wala yung 3, pero pinasok sa loob na i-shoot amidst the
Biglang may konting explosiveness dun sa pagkasalo niya ng bola eh. That's the defensive foul right there on Batino.
Clearly, pumunta siya sa path nung pinupuntahan ni Hesid Gabo that time.
Manuel, that's short. Serrano with a rebound, gets it to Marquis. Inantay si Ildefonso na Marwin Taiwan. Abra only up by 3 here. Ildefonso, atake sa gitna. Dave Ildefonso.
Well, soon as naiwan si Mike De Gregorio, that's when, you know, the coverage changed a little bit and yung vision. Pero hindi naging madali yung pababa na yun ni Dave Ildefonso, all because of the defense of Mike.
9 points and 7 rebounds para kay Dave Ildefonso. Galanza dumps it to Magoliano. Masyado malakas. JP, another try, no good. Taiwan. 3-pointer. Oh! That's a big one for Marvin Taiwan. And as soon as he brought that ball down, you knew it was coming, Coach Mike.
Oh, you know it. Lalo na nag-go under yung depensa ni Ian Melencio. Well, they scouted, they didn't want to get beat, kaya nag-go under sila. Pero Marvin Taiwan, man, that release was so good.
3-point shot is brought to you by Extreme. One-stop shop. Appliances. Silky smooth. The lefty, Marvin Taiwan, extends the Abra lead to 8. 2:29 remaining here in the third. Bumiyahe pa ng Abra all the way. Here back at the Governor Andres B. Bernos Memorial Gym in Banguet, Abra.
Importante makasagot dito ang Heatwaves.
Maguliano goes downhill. That's a tough shot. 3 straight misses para kay JP Maguliano.
Well, that was a tough one. Against the defense of Marquee, you got to find someone else if you don't have that shot.
Ildefonso. Jumper. Got it.
It doesn't matter.
11 puntos na para kay Dave and 9 rebounds. It's the biggest lead of the game for Abra at 10. Manuel. Serrano off to Taiwan. Yi inside. Marquee makes it a 12-point lead.
And every time the Weavers go on this run and the Heatwaves do not respond, dito na nagkakaroon ng separation between this. This is exactly how it happened in the second quarter of game number 1.
Abra has been in the penalty since the 6-minute mark of the third quarter, but sila on the other side of the floor, they've been relentless. And David Ildefonso, sooner or later, those shots are gonna fall. The 11-0 run now for the Abra Solid North Weavers, making it a 12-point lead.
Saka maganda doon sa ginawa ng Abra Weavers on that basket by Marquee. Nakikita mo yung yung cross matches no? Marquee being guarded by Mike De Gregorio. At that point, well, we do understand kung gaano kaganda dinidepensa ni Mike versus Dave, pero it's a different story altogether if you have Marquee underneath.
I'd like to thank LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Manuel, 1 for 2.
Free throws matter for the Heatwaves. Napaka-importante para sa kanila yan. Ang daming games, especially in the playoffs, na pag mas marami yung trips nila at makes nila sa free throws, malamang-lamang maganda ang kinalalabasan para sa kanila. But in this case, you know, lesser free throws gotta be better with your makes.
Ball knocked away by Fontanilla. It will stay with Abra. 3.4 seconds remaining in the shot clock.
Pero alam mong agresibo talaga si Encho Serrano. The many times we've seen him on that side of the floor, really taking it to the rack.
Marquee all alone for the offensive rebound. That's short though. Back the other way, Pangasinan. Kanina pa sila, yun ang sasabi natin, Abra kanina pa sa penalty, but hindi nila na-exploit.
Yes. They never got inside the paint. It's always been perimeter. They never got down on the post because ang ganda rin ang depensa ng Weavers. Look at the recovery.
And Ildefonso able to anticipate the pass and the steal. 3-second differential, game clock and shot clock. Third quarter of game 2. 11-point lead for Abra. Marwin Taiwan. 6 seconds. Serrano will fire the 3. No. Ildefonso trying to grab that rebound. Yi down on the floor, takes the shot. And that will do it. Marquee, first time in the series na ginamit siya, but the veteran 49-38 as we head into the fourth. Don Garcia was the assistant coach of Coach Randy Alcantara when San Juan won the championship in Season 2. Gerson Cabiltes won the championship with Nueva Ecija in Season 4. Meanwhile, let's bring in Andre Endicio.
Mga kaliga, kasama naman natin ngayon ang dalawang ina ng ating Twin Towers dito sa MPBL. Ma'am Geraldine Chu, the mom of Gio Chu, and Ma'am Rona Gonzalez, the mom of Raven Gonzalez. Maraming salamat po for joining me here. Unahin ko na muna si Ma'am Rona. Ma'am, talagang all the way to Abra, all out support ang inyong family in Game 1. Ang nakausap po namin ay kapatid ni Raven, but now, andito naman po kayo supporting Raven in this game.
Yes, mula pagkabata talagang pinapanood na namin lahat ng games niya. Sinusuportahan talaga namin. Even lalo nung magkasama sila ni Gio sa Batang Gilas, So that was almost 10 years ago. So medyo matagal na talaga ang samahan namin nila, family, ng team ng Chu.
Hindi lang po pala si Raven at si Giyong matagal nang magkasama. Kayo rin po pala ng mom ni Gio Chu ang palaging magkasama sa laro.
Yes, medyo matagal na din. So since batang gilas pa. Wala lang sila nung college. Nag-Ateneo si Gio and si Raven sa Lasal naman.
Alright, maraming salamat po, ma'am. At dumako naman tayo kay Ma'am Geraldine. Ma'am, every cheer is heartfelt at kitang-kita po namin from the sidelines talagang all out ang suporta ninyo sa inyong anak. How proud are you of Gio and of course his team?
I think every mom, every parent would be proud of all the players that is playing under Abra team. Ako naman, as a mom, as a parent, I can only give my 101 support sa aking anak. Siyempre, lalong-lalo na nasa finals na tayo. Hindi madali yung ginagawa nila. Kaya support lang kami. Support lang.
Such a very heartfelt messages mula sa ating moms ng ating Twin Towers. Pero for now, balik muna sa inyo sa Delphin Coach Mike.
Thank you so much, Andrea. So another side of the game. At the end of the day, they're also sons.
Yes.
Of their moms and their brothers. Like us.
At saka si Delphi yung 101% for your kid. Kaya naman bukas nasa first communion ride.
Oh, Marky.
My goodness.
Magic bunot. Marky, no stranger to the bright lights of the MPBL. Ito si Marky extending the lead to 12. He's got 5 points here in the second half. Napoles trying to answer.
Yeah.
Got it.
That's the shot that I've been waiting for Jory Napoles to take. I've always believed on a catch and shoot, especially on paglipat ng bola sa weak side. You know, very potent itong si Jory Napoles.
They need to stop here. Pangasinan.
Indeed.
Serrano against Bulanadi. Encho. Bulanadi drops. And Encho is whistled for the offensive foul.
That was yung extend ng kaliwang kamay. Kaya natawagan ng offensive foul. Kita mo naman yung pag-fake na screen na yun. Late yung recovery, walang tag sa kabila. Easy basket. Pero ito rin yung swing para kay Jory na sinasabi natin kanina pa.
Oo, si Batino was very preoccupied dun sa shaded lane. Sa threat sa ilalim.
Hindi makalabas. Ito close out.
Gabo from the corner. No. And Hesed Gabo has yet to score in this ball game.
He's 0 out of 3 from the field.
Marwin Taiwan. The runner from Marwin, there's a foul. Whistled against Vic Manuel.
Doon pa lang nakita mo na iwan na talaga kaagad itong si Hesed Gabo doon sa defensive coverage niya against kay Marwin Taiwan. Kadalasan ang ginagawa nila pag yung naka-ball screen na, yung big man nasa baba na, yung guardia na lang bumabantay doon sa screening action. Kasi inaabangan nila yung drive papunta sa baba. Pero in that case, naiiwan itong si Hesed Gabo dahil naipit doon sa screen.
And doon sa linya si Marwin Taiwan gets the first free throw to drop. Now, what I like about Marwin Taiwan's game this season has been his consistency. Whether he's coming off the bench, he is starting heavy minutes or not a lot of minutes because it's a loaded backcourt para dito sa Abra. You know, in fact, Joshua David has not played in this ball game, and then naging mas loaded pa nung dumating ito si Jason Brickman.
Yes.
Oh, Bongga Lanza for 2 plus the foul.
Ayan ang mga kailangan nila, quick decision to attack. Lalo na sa low block, huwag na hayaang makapwesto pa yung help defense.
This is the play of the game brought to you by 747 Live. Dito Costa, legit. Your game, your chance, your thrill only with 747 Live.
Isa na sa paboritong move dito ni Galanza. Nirarock niya yung bola before niya puntahin sa kanan para makatapos. Ang napakaraming beses na nakita nating nakascore siya of that move.
Did not complete the three-point play. Lead of Abra is at 9 points.
Nakita mo yung composure ng Marwin Taiwan, ano? He commands that, leadership on the floor for the Weavers.
Ildefonso, Marky, the shot fake. He stops. A wild shot from Marky, stopped by Pangasinan. Mabulak, offensive foul.
Oh. Mike got there first pero hindi niya binigyan ng space para makita siya ni Marvin.
Kaya nga.
Kailangan at least one step. Pero bibilib ka rin talaga dito sa nilalaro ni Marvin Taiwan. Naalala ko yung laro niya against Nueva Ecija. Kayo ni Coach Christian nagko-cover nun eh. Crucial yung 3 points niya sa right wing 3. I said to myself, man, he's already arrived. Ito si Marvin Taiwan as the lead point guard of the Weavers.
Okay. That's air ball. Sa net tumama.
Nag-celebrate yung mga tao pero kapos pala. Pero sa banded points natin parang diretso kasi, no?
54-45, Hesed Gabo at the controls for Pangasinan.
Down 9, may pagkakataon pa. Oh, that's offensive.
That's 2.
Both, initiated by Marvin Taiwan.
See what happened here, Coach Mike.
Eto may tulak eh.
Gumalaw siya
eh. Saka in-extend ng konti yung arm niya. If he had it twisted, that would have been not a foul.
Dito sa Banggit, Abra, Dave Ildefonso. 9 of his 11 points in the second half. 4 of 16 shooting for Dave. Also has 10 rebounds. Another strong performance from Dave Ildefonso. What I like about this performance again, he has not been shooting very well, but he is working extremely hard on the glass. And right now, he has gone really to his strengths, which is getting into the paint. Whether, he gets fouled, just being forceful right now, just being aggressive. Ito si Dave Ildefonso.
Oo, tsaka yung effort niya sa depensa eh. Kung titingnan mo yung rebounds niya, 11 defensive rebounds. Lahat yun galing kay Dave Ildefonso. And so if he's not scoring, he's helping out on the defensive end.
You have to mention that the defensive rebounds because he completes the defensive stand
Correct.
of his team. Napoles for 3. Got it!
I told you, catch and shoot, ball swing, weak side, Jory Napoles.
6 na puntos na lang ang lamang dito ng Abra from as high as 12. Under 6 minutes to play. Taiwan with a getaway. Finds Oduba underneath. Mula Nadi. Short rebound ni Alin. It's back with Alin. Nakawala si Alin. Hang time. No.
Boy, they had Jory the other end, weak side, same spot, didn't kick it out.
Here's Taiwan. Marvin attacks. Naiwan ng bantay. It's Marvin Taiwan with another outstanding game. 7 points. Gabo to Napoles. Another 3. Yes! Jory Napoles is keeping the Heat Waves in game 2. Nandito, kumakatok pa rin itong Pangasinan.
Basta nahahanap mo si Jory Napoles on that weak side, may pagkakataon ka.
Gonzalez underneath and Raven Gonzalez with 11 points and 3 rebounds. It's back up to 9. The lead for Abra. Merong foul sa ilalim. And no more challenge for Coach Yong.
I don't think that was a foul. On that drive, he really had his hand up.
This is the system game powered by 747 Live. Dito ka sa legit.
Oh, you see immediately that drop, very similar to sa mga pinuntos ni John Oduba. Nag-aabang sa ilalim hanggang sa makita siya ng kanyang gwardiya na libre siya, papasahan siya, ibabasket niya.
And a technical on Coach Yong Garcia.
I felt he does have a case. Because he really just had his hand up all the time that Mike actually made that attempt.
And Mike DG misses the free throw. That's the technical, and Mike De Gregorio will shoot 2 more. Down to 7 ang lamang dito ng Abra.
Kumakatok pa rin.
Oo.
May pagkakataon pa to. Kailangan magandang depensa. At again, makabasket sila sa side nila. Ito talagang maaga pa lang. Kino-cover na nila si Taiwan sa kabila.
Ayon. Dave Ildefonso will attack. That's a fadeaway from Dave. A tough shot. Agawan sa rebound. Ends up with Ian Melencio. Vic Manuel. Napoles has it. Melencio. Manuel. Galanza. 3. No. Melencio with a rebound.
Grabe yung rebound ni Melencio.
De Gregorio with a recovery. Ball taken away by Ayon. Nagabi din yung agaw na yun ni Marvin Taiwan.
Oo. Quickly nakita mo si Coach Gerson. Kalimutan niyo na, baba na kayo. Dumepensa na lang kayo.
Hindi si Marvin natatakot po pag sumundot dun na alanganin. Ayon puts it in. And Abra responding with every Pangasinan uprising. 62-53. Mike Ayon giving Abra a 9-point lead. 3 minutes and 13 remaining. Time out muna tayo. Nakakatawa yun parang hirap na mag-cover ng game na mainit dahil matapos nung manood ng dugout invasion.
Oo. Parang iba yung tempo.
Habang yung iba tao na sisters, biglang lumabas yung mga ganon. Ang galing. Hindi ko pala alam. Magkapatid pala talaga sila.
Oo. Hindi, mabigat doon yung graphic na magkatabi.
Gabi yun, ha?
Oo.
Matindi yun, ha? Sino gumawa nun?
Tingin ko si Maki.
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Kilala ko yung gumawa nun. De Gregorio with a big 3.
They're still in it.
6-point game.
2-possession game.
Nike Ayon. Binabatay ni Bong Galanza. Ayon, Oduba, Batino, Ildefonso, and Taiwan. The 5 on the floor for Abra. Ayon. Nandun pa rin si Napoles. Swings it over to Dave Ildefonso. Ildefonso, drop pass. Oduba is there. What a play. Galing kay Dave Ildefonso. Finding John Oduba wide open underneath.
Kasi John Oduba ay nasa pinakadulo ng opensa. So nakikita niya lahat. And napakaganda ng find na yon ni Dave Ildefonso.
Vic Manuel will launch the 3 and will miss. This time good box out. Galing kay Marvin Taiwan on Ian Melencio.
Kailangan makakuha ng stop ng heat waves dito.
The final 2 minutes of game 2. Top seed Abra wants a 2-0 lead in this series. Batino aatake. Shot no. Ildefonso misses as well. De Gregorio behind the back. The spin. Mike DG misses. And Napoles will send Oduba to the free throw line.
Penalty is 4.
Well, Mike had the right thing in mind. Atake kagad yung depensa habang di pa naka-set up. Pero ang ganda rin ng baba ng mga paint defenders nitong Weavers. Hindi naging madali yung drive na yun para kay Mike.
It's been a work in progress here for Abra, but look, every game they look more and more like a finished product. Kasi if you think about game 1, Jason Brickman with that big second quarter, now different players again coming to the fore to help them close this one out.
At saka iba-ibang parts portion ng game, no? You had kanina Raven Gonzalez was really very
Had
good.
a 9-point, good 9-point half.
That's right. Marquis was also pretty good. There's certain portions here in the third and the fourth.
And Mike Ionai in the first half.
Yep. And then Marwin came in.
Yeah, David Defonso, a little bit of everything as well. Alfred Batino with some good plays. Oduba, 6 points. He stays at 6 points. Batino with the offensive rebound. Labas kay Marwin, Taiwan. An extra possession for Abra. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Taiwan against Imelencio. Marwin, layup, masyado malakas. Bulanadi goes to Di Gregorio. Atake si Mike DG. The basket plus the foul. Pangasinan still in it. Minute and 11 remaining. A chance to trim it to just 5. This is the fast break of the game brought to you by Extreme Cool Air Conditioners. Ang Extreme Magpalamig. Free installation for split-type air conditioners.
And that's exactly the same thing that Mike had in mind earlier. This time, na-beat niya yung depensa. Naka-elevate na siya bago dumating pa yung shot blocking attempt on that drive. And he goes to the strike for a bonus.
$11 points and 8 rebounds para kay Mike Di Gregorio. Pressure here from Pangasinan. The steal. Oh! Ooh. Unable to complete the steal there. And Oduba will slow things down. Ildefonso.
This will be big.
8 seconds in the shot clock for Abra. Dave finds Batino, the shot fake, and the foul. Alfred Batino will have to earn the 2 points from the free throw line. This is the Gixxer great move of the game, born for greatness.
Oh, what a crossover.
Broke his ankles there, pero okay lang. No celebration, nonchalant lang, kaling kay Muscle Man.
Pero lahat gulat.
Another great decision by David Defonso on that ball screen, Coach Mike.
Indeed. And he really just has been a primary decision maker for the Weavers. And you have to hand it to how Dave has really conducted himself. Ito could have gotten that shot, but he saw that slip of Batino. Eh, wala ka nang gagawin kung ikaw si Bongga Lanza kundi foulin. Sa free throw mo na lang kunin yung puntos mo.
Kagulo na yung depensa, hindi pa nakakaset ng Pangasinan eh.
Scramble eh. Kanya-kanyang habol sa pangunang coverage sa depensa.
51 seconds remaining. Medyo na delay tayo ng konti dito.
Batino has gone to the line and attempted twice, and he's made both. So this will be his second trip.
Oh, missed it. Door slightly open for Pangasinan.
At sanay na sanay ang Pangasinan sa mga ganitong sitwasyon, no? Dikit. May pagkakataon.
And 2 possession advantage here for Abra. Make that a 6-point game. Melencio. We need a bucket. The Heat Waves. De Gregorio drifts to the corner. Blocked by Ayon.
Ganda ng pagkaka-anticipate nung play na yon. It was either yung pagpunta sa corner ni Mike De Gregorio o yung pagpunta rin sa ibabaw na tres ni Joray Napoles. Yun ang options ni Ian Melencio that time.
And they will review this, that out of bounds. 65 to 59. It will stay with Pangasinan. Ito yung fascinating dito kung ano gagawin ni Coach Gerson off this inbound.
Yeah.
Brickman returns to the game.
Huwag natin kalilimutan doon sa Nueva Ecija game, crucial yung isang Crinokis na play ni Coach Gerson off an inbound.
Would you be okay with a quick 2 here, Coach Mike?
I'm fine with a quick 2.
Galanza, Taiwan knocks the ball away.
This one they're gonna review again.
Napoles and Uduba getting in the way of each other. There's another review here. It will stay with Pangasinan. Assistant Coach Harold Nang getting in the way of Dave Ildefonso. And Pangasinan ultimately calls a timeout. 40 seconds remaining in game 2. Abra is up by 6. And the Heatwaves in game 1 way below their numbers. Scoring, they were held to 58, now down, held to 59 in this ball game. Field goals made, only 20, points in the paint, 22. Fast break scoring, this was a big concern, only 4 points for the Heatwaves. Let's give a quick shout out to Boss Robert Kai and family of Boracay de la Ia, traveling all over Northern Luzon.
Oh, yes.
Nanood ng game 1 dito. Ingat po, Boss Robert. De Gregorio, that is short.
Boy, that was a good look.
But he was not comfortable taking that shot, Coach Mike.
Yun yung mid-range, no? Somehow yung calibration mo, iba.
No, you sometimes would want that off the dribble.
That's right.
Taiwan with 5 seconds in the shot clock. Brickman, ayon for 3. Ball is loose, picked up by Taiwan. Oduba, Ayon slips, Brickman has it. Taiwan trying to secure the game here at home. Well, JB Pernos up on his feet.
And so are the other Abra fans.
Gusto ko yung Gusto ko yung yung whiteboard. Interchangeable yung yung statement mo.
Oo, napapalitan.
Napapalitan, di ba?
Kung medyo tegi-tegi ka, tablet pa yan pero madalian. Whiteboard na lang.
Whiteboard. At least hindi kartolina, di ba? Dalo kartolina, di ba?
Huwag naman kartolina. Baka mag-Manila paper pa tayo niya.
Uy, November 27, markahan nyo daw, 3-0. Nako. North Division champion yun kung 3-0.
Oo.
Pero may isa pa, may game 3 pa to. And the Abra Solid North Weavers move on the cusp of capturing the North Division title. They are 1 game away from entering the national finals. Sweeping this homestand 2-0 against the Pangasinan Heatwaves. We still have 1 more game, game 3, and if necessary, there's a game 4. Our best player of the game is powered by 747 Live. Play what you love, win what you deserve. He missed his first 5 or 6 shots in this ball game, but he contributed in other ways. Ito si Dave Ildefonso, and ultimately found his way to the cup. And that was Dave Ildefonso there, staying aggressive all throughout.
Man, indeed, double-double, 11 points, 15 rebounds, a couple of assists, a couple of blocks, and a couple of steals. What more can you ask defensively and an overall game from a Dave Ildefonso?
It's 5 of 17, but I don't mind because he gave me 15 rebounds and 2 blocks and 2 steals.
That's fine.
Solid North Weavers now up 2-0